Today, we are breaking down the key differences between mitosis and meiosis, a must-know topic for AP biology and IB biology exams. Cell division is how life continues. Mitosis for growth and repair, meiosis for sexual reproduction and variation. Mitosis makes identical cells, essential for tissue growth and healing. Meiosis makes gametes, sperm and eggs, and introduces variation through recombination. Meiosis and mitosis share machinery. Chromosomes condense, spindles form, and DNA is carefully split. These are some of the key differences between mitosis and meiosis. Crossing over shuffles alleles, one of the main reasons meiosis creates variation. Independent assortment further mixes genes, giving trillions of possible gamete combinations. On exams, be precise. Don't just say meiosis is for reproduction. Name haploids, crossing over, and independent assortment. Remember, mitosis makes identical somatic cells. Meiosis makes genetically unique gametes. That's the big picture. For more tutorials and test prep videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dr. B's Tutorials.